In this video, I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars every single day on Clickbank in conjunction with this tool right here called Sniply.io. So I'm going to show you how to use this tool with Clickbank to start earning hundreds of dollars every single day. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to clickbank.com if you don't have an account already, and all you just need to do is to click on start here, fill out these details right here to create a Clickbank account. And if you are from banned countries, then make sure to look around the channel. I've made a video on how to create Clickbank account from banned countries. So once you have your account created, you want to come over to the marketplace section, and you are going to find numerous categories right here where you can select products and start promoting right away. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be taking the gaming niche, and I'm going to show you one of the best products that you can promote on this category. So you want to scroll down and you want to select this product right here, which says how to make money gaming. So if we click on this product right here, so as you can see right here, this is the sales page of this product. Basically, this ebook is going to show people how they can start earning money from Twitch, YouTube, and other platforms from their gaming content. So I'm going to show you how to promote this product to the right audience and how you can start making money right away. And if we go back to Clickbank, you can see right here the product is not expensive at all. You are going to get paid $4, and I'm going to show you how to get at least 25 people every single day to purchase this product. And if you multiply that, you are getting about $100 every single day when you get people to purchase this product. So what you want to do from here is very simple. You want to go over to this website called Sniply.io, and you want to create an account if you don't have one. And for those who don't know what this website is all about, basically it allows you to add a call to action to every link you shot in online. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works in this video. So all you need to do from here is to click on this get started for free. So once you do that, you are going to be brought to this page right here. As you can see, they have a free plan and they have some paid features as well. You can get started absolutely free using this free plan right here, and all you just need to do is to click on this sign up. And once you do that, as you can see right here, you don't need to enter your credit card details. All you just need to do is to type in your name, your email address, and your password. And also, once you are creating your account, you want to keep in mind whatever name you type in right here is very, very important, and I recommend you type in a name related to your niche right here. And since I'm using the gaming niche as a demonstration purpose, I'm going to select a name that resonates with the gaming niche right here. So you can see Gamers Scope. Okay, and now you want to type in your email, your password, and you want to click on create account. So once you have your account created, everything is going to look like this. And the next step now is to look for content talking about how to make money with gaming on YouTube, as you can see right here. And now to look for something similar to this one, all you just need to do is to go over to Google, and then you want to type in how to make money gaming on YouTube. You are going to find a lot of content that you can use for these purposes. And now keep in mind, you are basically sending free traffic to this website as well. All right, so now once you do this, all you need to do is to basically come back and you want to paste in the link right here, and then you want to click on create snip. So once you do that, you are going to see the website is going to appear in the background right here, and now you are going to see a small call to action right here as well. And you want to come over to this section that says call to action right here, and you want to type in your message. And now you want to write a simple and captivating heading like this one right here: gamers are earning big on YouTube. And you want to type in ebook right here so that people know you are talking about an ebook. Okay, and here you want to type in download here, as you can see on this button, so that once they get redirected to this website, they know they are going to purchase an ebook to get access to the guide. All right, and now the final step is to come back to Clickbank to grab your affiliate link, and all you need to do is to click on promote, and you want to click on create up link. So now you want to copy your Clickbank link and you want to come back to Sniply, and this is where you are going to be pasting your Clickbank link. So once you're done and everything looks good, you want to click on continue, and now you want to click on finish CTA. So once you do that, as you can see, your Sniply link is going to be generated. So if I copy this link, so if I paste this link in a new tab, as you can see right here, it's going to bring us to this website, and you are going to see this call to action box right here Once people click on this download here, as you can see, they will be brought to this website right here. And if they make any purchase, you make $4. It's that easy. So now I'm going to show you how you can start driving targeted traffic to this website right here. So you want to come over to YouTube and you want to basically type in how to make money gaming on YouTube. You are going to find a lot of videos on this keyword right here. And what you want to do is simple. You want to go through each of these videos right here. And basically, I recommend you go for the most recent videos. So if I take this one right here as an example, so once you click on the YouTube video, what you want to do from here is very simple. And you are not going to be spamming any links on this YouTube video. Neither are you going to be sending emails to this channel, because these emails get spammed every single day. So now what you are going to do, you are going to apply a smarter strategy. And what you are going to do is by opening each of these channels right here. And now you can see there are so many people who have made comments on this video. So now what you are going to do, I'm going to take this channel right here as an example. As you can see, this person is saying, I'm trying really hard to do this. Okay. So now what you want to do is to open this channel right here. So once you open this channel in a new tab, what you want to do is very simple. You want to go over to their videos. So once you do that, you want to go over to their recent video. As you can see, this is the most recent video on this person's channel. So you want to click on the video, and then what you want to do from here, you want to basically come over to the comments of this video. As you can see, they are not going to have so many comments. All right. And you want to type in something simple like this. Hey buddy, I came across your channel from a video about how to earn money gaming on YouTube. I wanted to share this guide that's helped me grow my gaming channel and boost my earnings. Let me know your results, and you are going to paste in the Sniply link right here. And all you just need to do is to click on comment. And once you do that, as you can see, your comment is going to remain right here. And other people who come over to watch this video who are also interested in gaming content, they are also going to find your link right here. So basically, this comment right here is very simple and looks genuine, and a lot of people are going to find it interesting to click on this link right here. And once they do, they are going to be brought over to this page right here, where if they purchase this product, you make easy $4. And also keep in mind, you want to repeat the same process for as many gamers you find on this video right here. And also keep in mind, you can find many other videos that you can repeat this same strategy for, and you can start getting results. So if you do this, I can guarantee you that you are going to get at least 20 sales every day, which is about $100. So the more you put in the work, the more results you are going to get using this method. And also keep in mind, you don't have to use this for this gaming niche alone. There are so many other products on Clickbank that you can apply this strategy and start making money. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.